Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for over up here, or just go above search, click on it, and here add over up here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to this list, click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, and you click here on clear cache. So then you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.